of the living God is here. He's moving and watching out for vessels. As in the day of Pentecost, the fire will fall. We are waiting to manifest your power. That's the Spirit of the living God is here. He is moving and watching out for vessels. As in the day of Pentecost, the fire will fall. We are waiting to manifest your power. Tired of myself. Sanctify my heart and revive my life. Take me deeper, deeper and deeper. That same power that break that way. That same power that raised you up. By that power transform my life. Amen. I am tired of myself. Sanctify my heart and revive my life. Take me deeper, deeper and deeper. That's the power that breaks that way. That's the power that breaks you up. By that power, transform my life. Amen. Come and never so. Our desire, our heart cry for the endless expectations of creation awaits the manifestations of the sons of God. This is our desire, oh God. This is our heart cry, that we will know you more, that we will burn for you, that you will make us the answer to the heart cry of our generation.